Hey guys, so today I had school, and then, jeez, um, today I had school, and then I got picked up a little bit early, but it wasn't really very early, because there were so many buses behind Grandma when she went to go pick me up, so it was like we actually didn't get out until school ended, which was actually really suckish, but anyway, we did that, and then we went up to the golf course up by here, and I drove the cart. Um, I took Grandma's friend Jackie to her house, which is like literally right down the road, and with on the golf cart. And then at like 5:30, I went up to the clubhouse by myself in the golf cart, and went and ate dinner with Grandma. And yeah, and then we came back here, and I have been like falling asleep